From wanting to go out shopping on the weekends to staying at home and enjoying sewing, I have grown. Don't get me wrong, I still love shopping for fabrics, but not often. In my 20s, I unintentionally compared myself to others on social media and got hooked with consumption. But I'm so happy that I'm not the same anymore. I have realized that I don't need to constantly purchase items that are neither lacking in my life nor moving me closer to my goals. I have started appreciating the things that work and meet my needs. I'm starting my day with a cup of green tea and some oranges on this super sunny Sunday. If you're wondering what I'm watching, I follow a YouTuber by the name Jenna Phipps. Recently, she bought an abandoned home and she's showing the renovating process. I am invested in the process. So that's what I'm watching. I came across this pretty top on Pinterest, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, I can make it. So I pulled out my go-to, the basic bodice block. The back pattern remains the same, no need to make any changes whatsoever. For the front pattern, you're gonna make a V-neck and then add 1 inch seam allowance in the front and cut 2 of this. And you don't need waist dart, but you would need side dart. And that's all the changes you need to make.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can
For the sleeves pattern, you're gonna cut your sleeves pattern in the middle and then place it in such a way there is 5 inches of difference in between. After that, raise the sleeve cap by 2 inches and then add 1 inch on both the sides and even at the below, and draw a slightly diagonal line as shown in the picture, and that will be your sleeves pattern.
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own.
And for the ruffle part of the top, you're gonna cut a rectangle piece of fabric with the width of your waist into 1.5, and the length can be how much ever you want. I have kept it around 6 inches. The first step of sewing is to stitch all the darts of the lining fabric and the main fabric. After that, I stitched the shoulders.
No matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
The next step is to place the lining fabric on the main fabric with right sides facing each other, and then pin it as shown in the video and stitch wherever I have pinned, that is the neckline, the center front and the bottom.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night, oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. answered the other day.
The next step is to add a basting stitch or the longest stitch on your machine from the midpoint of the armhole, and you're also gonna add the basting stitch at the bottom and create gathers.
The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days.
To finish the bottom of the sleeve, I have cut out a strip of fabric and I'm gonna stitch it and then fold it on the other side and double fold it and stitch it. After that, I'm also gonna attach the sleeves to the armhole of the bodies.
And nothing's gonna make me look away. Peel off a layer and breathe. Lift up your head and lead. Count the stars before you leave.
The next step is to pin both the sides of the top and stitch it.
Save a kiss, pretty please. Try to reminisce over me. Know that I will cherish your memory.
Time to add the ruffle. So take out your rectangle piece of fabric that you had cut out and then add 2 basting stitches and then pull one thread from both the stitches and start gathering it.
Oh, I used to see colors, now it's gray.
So this is what it looks like from the front and at the back. I also went ahead and marked 3 points where the strap will be attached to tie the bow. Now it's time to attach the ruffle to the bottom of the top. But before that, I was super hungry, so I'm gonna quickly have my lunch and then get back to sewing. Today I am having rajma with rice and homemade papad.
A lot has changed since we last spoke. Life's been good to you, and I see that you're with someone new. Maybe you are better off now that you're with him. But when I see your face, I can't stop myself from spiraling.
Now it's time to make the straps, fold the fabric and then stitch it and snip the extra fabric, and after that flip it inside out, and you will have to make 6 of this and then attach it to the points where we had marked, and don't forget to finish the edge of the ruffle by double folding it, and the top is ready.
Now I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down. 'Cause I can focus when you are around. But I will try my best to carry on without you like you've done. Though I'm lost and out of breath, I will carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you.
Since I'm exhausted from sewing, I'm gonna spend bare minimum amount of energy in making my dinner. I'm not a fan of beans, but I saw a recipe of just air frying the beans and it tastes so good. I have been seeing this all over YouTube shorts, so I thought let me give it a try. All you need to do is sprinkle some olive oil, salt, pepper, chili flakes and chopped garlic. Mix it and put it in an air fryer for 8 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Make sure to remove it and toss it when it is at 4 minutes. And that's literally it.
I'm not over you. I'm not over you.
It is worth the hype. It tasted so good. I think the chili flakes and the garlic made it more tasty. And I also like the fact that it takes very little oil and it's healthy. So I really loved it. But definitely the quantity is very less as a dinner. So I had to do it again in one more batch. But I think I can do it once in a while. Also, while sewing, I started watching Lapata Ladies on Netflix. It's such a beautiful and heartwarming story. I love the way they have portrayed society's hypocrisy, feminism, and an innocent love story. After watching 12th Fail, this movie has to be the movie which has restored my faith in Bollywood. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in my next sewing vlog. Bye bye.